This is the success story of a company that has grown from its humble origin as a small-scale workshop to Asia's largest manufacturer and exporter of paper conversion machinery. Paper cones and tubes for textile yarn winding. Composite cans and fiber drums for packaging. Edge protectors for protective packaging. Pulp molded products for poultry and various other industries. Today, we take them all for granted. But there was a time back in the 50s when India had to depend on imports for these products. It took the genius of one man to turn import dependence into self-reliance. A man called K.U. Sodaltech. What he achieved was to bring about a total transformation of a nation completely dependent on paper conversion machines and technology to a nation exporting them. As a man who pioneered paper conversion technology in India, K.U. Sodaltech has been rightly called the father of paper conversion in India. The company he founded, K.U. Sodaltech and Company Private Limited, is today a leader in the paper conversion industry with brand Sodaltech ruling the roost. The company has 2 factory units at Coimbatore which are ISO 9001 certified with all modern infrastructure and manufacturing facilities with fully equipped assembly floors. The highly qualified design team shapes cutting-edge concepts into engineering marvels. New generation vertical machining centers and other machine tools with state-of-the-art testing equipment are employed to manufacture machinery that perform to perfection. The company also has the advantage of trained and highly motivated employees at all levels to deliver quality without compromise. A robust enterprise resource planning system is used across all departments in the organization for increased efficiency and value addition. Now let us look into the various production lines offered by Sodaltech. The Sodaltech automatic paper cone winding machine is highly versatile enough to produce textile paper cones of various tapers, with a peak output of 55 cones per minute. The salient features of this machine include easy reel loading, online printing, edge grinding, pattern cutting, gluing, winding and ejection, all automatically. It has a patented gripper winding system and an optional servo drive system. The winding machine is linked by a conveyor to an automatic online dryer which can be heated by steam, gas, electric or wood-fired heating system. The dried cones are automatically collected and nested. The Sodaltech automatic paper cone finishing machine, which has a peak output of 50 cones per minute, comes with a host of features like automatic hopper feeding of cones, indexing, bottom punching, bullnosing, bottom burnishing, bottom grooving and velvet finishing without any manual intervention. Finished cones are automatically counted and nested. Sodaltech offers high-speed slitter rewinder to slit jumbo rolls into smaller width reels to be used in paper tube and edge protector production lines. This machine features easy loading of jumbo paper rolls and quick unloading of slit reels. Sodaltech's spiral paper core and tube winding system consists of a reel unwinding stand, cascade-type glue applicator, core winding machine and online fine cutting unit. Exceptionally strong cores and tubes can be produced by this machine due to uniform glue application and tight winding of the paper plies. The Sodaltech automatic paper core cutting machine is programmable with an operator-friendly touchscreen control panel. The long core is placed in a loading V and pushed into a pneumatic chuck. The required number of cuts and the cut length are programmed, and on pressing the start button, the machine completes the instruction automatically. For smaller batch runs, this economy model Easy Core Recutter is ideal enough for recutting operations. The spiral paper tube machine is versatile to produce textile tubes for draw texturized yarn and filament yarn winding with appropriate toolings. The parent tubes are recut in the automatic tube recutting machine and finished in the automatic tube finishing machine. The composite can production line consists of a body maker with a unique folding and heat sealing system to produce leak-proof composite cans. The labelled canisters are fed into a can seaming machine which does the flanging and seaming operations automatically. Sodaltech offers edge protector production line to produce edge protectors and U-profiles for product protection during warehousing and transporting. This line consists of a reel unwinding stand, a cascade-type gluing system, pre-forming station, forming section and a cut-off unit. This notching machine is used to make wraparound edge protectors for circular goods like paper rolls, aluminium sheet coils, etc. Sodaltech offers paper pulp molding technology to recycle waste paper into value-added products like egg trays and cartons, fruit trays, medical disposable products, etc. A wide range of small to large-size production lines is offered to suit customer needs. The stock preparation unit consists of a hydra pulper to convert waste paper into pulp. The pulp is screened by a vibrator screener and agitated and then pumped into a storage tank. The ruggedly built pulp molding machine features easy interchangeability of molds with high-pressure cleaning system, and the molding machine is linked to an automatic conveyor and drying system. The Customer Service Centre offers prompt after-sales service with timely supply of spares from its well-stocked warehouse. With all this going for them, it is hardly surprising that the company has the largest share in the Indian market and exports to more than 60 countries across the globe at a very commendable growth rate.
At Sodaltech, we take a holistic approach in providing cost-effective solutions through our technological leadership and manufacturing excellence that are responsive to dynamic market needs.
The company's efforts and dynamism have been recognized with awards year after year. They have won the Engineering Export Promotion Council's award for 20 years consecutively and also various recognitions including the coveted Jamnalal Bajaj Award for Fair Business Practices. With initiatives for promotion of literacy and healthcare, the company contributes actively to the development of the society. The company is also committed to a clean and green environment by harnessing wind and solar energy to reduce carbon footprint. With a never-ending zeal for customer focus and commitment, the company has set its goal to be a global leader in providing high-quality, innovative and value-creating solutions to the paper conversion industry. Sodaltech, passion for perfection.